Dear learner, in the last lesson, you learned about how to identify a real world problem. Now it is time to think strategically. Most ICT competitions provide specific themes. A strong project doesn't just solve a problem, it aligns with the given theme. When your project connects directly to a theme, judges see that you understood the purpose of the competition. So this makes your work more impressive and increases your chances of winning. So it is important to link your project to competition themes. As we proceed, it's also important that every competition has a theme, and the theme is the big idea guiding all projects. So let us now go down and break down common themes. We have environmental sustainability. This focuses on protecting our planet. Think of themes like climate change, renewable energy, reducing waste, or conservation of forests and water. We also have themes to do with community well-being. This focuses on improving daily life in our community. Problems can include health challenges, road safety, access to clean water, or helping vulnerable groups. We may also look at education and learning, which focuses on improving access to and quality of education. This can involve new teaching methods, digital learning platforms, or making difficult subjects easier and more fun. So understanding the themes ensures that your team uses creativity in the right direction. So understanding that theme is very, very important, whether we're talking about environmental protection, we're talking about environmental sustainability, community well-being, or education. It is important that you understand the theme. Now let's look at the power of how might we. So once you find a problem and link it to a theme, the next step is to frame it. Professionals use a powerful tool called the how might we question. This format transforms a problem into an opportunity for innovation. Let's take an example. Students in rural schools may be lacking textbooks or digital platforms. So how might we? The question comes, how might we use ICT to provide low-cost digital textbooks for rural learners? Now let us, so you need to note how this invites creativity without locking the team into one fixed solution. It tells the judges that you see opportunities, not just obstacles. So you need to reframe the problems into opportunities. Reframe the problems into opportunities, and we proceed. Now let us look at examples of how might we questions. Let's start with something to do with the climate change. How might we help farmers prepare for drought using ICT tools? Now let's look at health. How might we use mobile technology to improve health awareness among the youth? Education. How might we make science more engaging using digital platforms? So these questions guide your brainstorming and open space for innovative ideas. So examples here, we are saying we may be looking at climate change, we may be looking at health issues, education, and so many others. So dear learner, you know, you now have a method to aim your creativity. Start by picking a theme, then identify a real world problem within that theme. Finally, reframe the problem into a strong how might we question. This process ensures your project is meaningful, innovative, and aligned with the competition goals. Remember, a well-framed problem is the foundation of the winning solution. So here, make sure that you choose a theme in summary. And we're also saying that find a real problem and then frame it as it is, using the how might we, the HMW, and that is how you'll make everything successful. Thank you so much. May God bless you.